The oceans face some of the greatest environmental challenges of our time, such as pollution and climate change. Researchers Carlos Duarte, Terence Hughes and Daniel Pauly have made fundamental contributions not only to understand the nature of marine ecosystems, but also to protect and conserve their biodiversity. Professor Duarte, head of the Tariq Ahmed Khoufali Research Chair in Red Sea Ecology in Saudi Arabia, has shown that ecosystems such as oceanic meadows have a great capacity to absorb CO2 emissions from the atmosphere, driving the Blue Carbon Initiative, a global program that aims to mitigate climate change by restoring these threatened habitats.
When
we realized that these marine forests were the most intense carbon sinks in the biosphere, we thought it was necessary to redirect public debate about the role of ecosystem conservation and restoration in mitigating climate change towards these marine forests. And for this, we coined the term blue carbon. The three ecologists who have worked independently have been awarded the BBVA Foundation Frontiers of Knowledge Award in the Ecology and Conservation Biology category for contributing to the knowledge of marine biodiversity and also proposing solutions to protect it. Terence Hughes, a professor at James Cook University in Australia, has led the implementation of measures to achieve the conservation and restoration of coral reefs that have been severely affected as a result of climate change.
Coral bleaching due to global warming is not a future threat to coral reefs, it's here and now. We've been studying coral bleaching now here in Australia for nearly 40 years. There's no time to lose to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, which are the biggest threat by far to the world's coral reefs.
Daniel Pauly, professor at the Institute for Oceans and Fisheries at the University of British Columbia in Canada, has documented the decline of fish populations in the world's oceans using computer tools such as the Fishbase Online Encyclopedia, a database with information on 35,000 species.
People didn't know how tropical fish really behave in terms of growth, mortality, food and so forth. And so Fishbase started and now it covers all fish of the world, 35,000 species, and gives this information for many of the species, and it has 50 million page views a month.
Thanks to their pioneering research, the three winners of the Ecology Frontiers of Knowledge Award have provided new key tools to overcome the serious threats that are putting marine life at risk around the planet.